Key Glock has a Rolex Giraffe Daytona on his wish list for his upcoming birthday.
Hey, my birthday next week.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't want shit. I just want the Rolex Daytona, the Giraffe. You know what I'm saying? Something like, I don't even want too much, you know. Got everything else. Just need a Rolex Daytona for my birthday. Alright. Tell Zoe drop, man. Wake him up. Play that mother. See the light. Cut my hair off, y'all. Back to the wave. There you go. You got the light. God damn, man. God damn. Can't keep a light up. God damn. You ain't got a light on? Where's some little lighter on? Okay. How about fresh? On hill. How about freshes? How about freshes? I got it out the mud. I said mud, baby. I'm a mud, baby. It's in love, baby. It's in love, baby.
Okay. I like this.
Hey, what's that?
Yo.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.